Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here with my son Scott on his CT. We're just out checking out some trails out here on a spot that we found. Oh, what's that? Is that a tunnel over there on the highway?
Yeah, ditch.
Ditch tunnel. Tunnel ditch. I hope this ain't all there is this circle out here.
This might be the end of it.
Yeah, seriously, might be.
There's a fence. Oh, there's a road going this way through the fence. There's a
Oh,
jackrabbit.
Jackrabbit showed us where to go. Just follow the rabbit.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. I figured this road might tie into that other trail system over there, but it probably does if you know where to go. Out
Yeah, you
through
probably
here.
just gotta go out a ways. This is going out that way now.
Good. That's where it needs to go. What's that? Something hanging in the tree. Oh, a trash bag. The bad part is, that's probably why a lot of times things are shut off out in here, is because idiots throwing trash out.
It's crazy to me how many people do that
It's
stuff.
just crazy. And the bad part is, there'll be people watch this video and me talk about not throwing trash out, but they'll still do it. They just do it.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of people that just do it.
And even if they don't like close the place off, they may put up more rules and stuff because
Yeah.
people aren't, it's kind of like that that Nomads track. They kept putting up more rules because people kept being stupid and bringing in too many people and doing crazy stuff.
Right. I'd say it must be pretty dry out here because there ain't much growing in much spots, is there?
It's really dry.
I mean, it
Only thing
looks like
grows
it's,
these trees.
yeah, it looks like it's groomed underneath all these trees. It's just bare. These trees are sucking up every bit of the water they can get.
There ain't no water left for anything else.
Uh-uh. Well, this
Over
is
that
going,
cactus.
uh-oh. Huh?
I think I'm going this way.
People's been out here on their side-by-sides. Ooh, this is soft.
Everything's got stickers on it.
Well, yeah, those are the mesquite, like on our property. Those
Yeah.
mesquite trees, they have stickers like thorns on them. Uh-oh.
Can't even. It's just open here. You can't even tell where the trails are at.
Mm.
You could just see some tire tracks left by some side-by-sides or something.
Yeah, we're going back toward the road over here. I figured it would go down that power line.
Yeah.
But don't look like it. Yeah, you don't want to try to miss all the little plants.
Yeah.
On the ground. Uh-oh.
I'm over here.
Like a maze out here.
Yeah.
Well, this is soft stuff, ain't it?
Yeah.
You sure this
It's
is a
actually
trail?
not super dry at the moment. There's actually a little bit of moisture in the ground.
Not sure if this is a trail or not.
This ain't going nowhere, is it?
No.
I mean, there's kind of like, you can tell people have ridden through here at points. I think we're getting a little bit off the main trail.
What's right over there, that big open area in front of you?
Oh, you talking about to the right? Oh, that? Yeah, hold on. We can go around this way.
What a mess. And we gotta find our way back to where we come from too if we can't get out here.
Yeah, that's the problem is we need to find our way back to the trail to get out of here.
Yeah, how do we do that? Uh-oh. Well, if this goes anywhere or not, this is just open area.
I don't think anyone's really been out here that much.
I'd say we're gonna have to go back.
Yeah, I think so.
Hang on, I think I got a bug in my ear. In my helmet. Irritating.
At least you can easily tell where we came from because of a little bit of moisture.
You're exactly right. That's probably our best way back, is follow our tracks back.
Yeah.
We know we made it over here.
Yeah.
We know our tracks are going to lead us
Well, like I
back.
said, luckily the tracks are easy to see. So if we did get kind of turned around, I don't think it'd be hard to follow them back. Cause look at your trail behind you.
No doubt. Yeah, you can see track good.
Yeah.
It almost seems like it's wet, but it's not. I don't think. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because the way it's dark underneath where your tracks are.
Yeah. You can tell it's a little bit wet underneath.
But I was looking over this way this morning, and it looked like it was sprinkling over this way.
Well, Angie asked if it was raining.
Yeah, you could see the clouds and see it looked like rain coming out of them.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if she was like joking or whatever, because I was like, how would you even know that?
Yeah, but it's
I
not
don't think
supposed
she looked
to.
at the weather.
I mean, the weather says 0%.
Yeah.
And I don't think it'll show anything. I'll see it there in front of us, and I've seen some like little sheets look like coming out of it or this way.
Yeah.
It wasn't heavy, that's for sure.
That's slick.
Yeah, it is. It's weird. It's like there's a little crust on it. You break through that crust, and it's kind of squirrely acting.
No, it's soft when the Trail 125 wants to give.
Yeah, because this thing handles like a dream. It really does.
Yeah.
Do you have a clue where you're going?
I'm just following the trail.
The trap.
That's soft. Well, I almost lost my tire right there because it was really soft.
It made you stutter.
Yeah. It just gave out is all.
Mm-hmm.
It's like he had like a spot to sit on, and then all of a sudden it just came out from underneath my tire. Like stepping on like one of those mouse holes. Ground just gives out.
Mm-hmm. Is your ABS light flashing now?
No, it's not. I bet that's because of the battery.
Yeah, mine does all the time because once you change the gearing, I think it's stupid why that
Yeah.
would change the ABS. Now, I don't if I start out and I go slow,
Yeah.
like off-road. But when you start out and you get up to speed, it knows that the feed's off on it and speedometer's off, and it makes the ABS flash. Which ABS is not something I care for anyway. I could care less about it. But we'll probably be on the other trails here in a little bit, and end up over here and think, what?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Man, those rabbits are huge. I can see it all the way from over here. That's a freaking rabbit.
Yeah, I seen one earlier, and I thought it was a coyote. It was a
Yeah,
rabbit.
I mean, it looks like it could have been a small coyote, but you can tell the ears. The ears are
Yeah.
massive.
They're giant.
We ain't never had no rabbits that big.
People say there's
that's crazy.
jackrabbits in Missouri, but I never seen one. I've seen just
We just see
cottontails.
like the little bitty ones.
Yeah. But I seen one this morning from quite a ways, and I thought it was a little coyote or something, or a fox, but it was a rabbit. That thing big. Pretty crazy.
And that one that was running out through there was huge. There's
There
another one.
another one. Yep. They get big.
Yeah.
And there are lots of them.
Oh, we did this loop.
Yeah.
Huh.
So,
Well, I mean, that would just go out in the same spot. That's not really a road.
Mm-mm.
Or it's not really a trail. I know it's obviously not a road, but...
Oh. See, this one here makes a little loop out of this spot. Or out in there, I don't know. Somebody come out here and piled some brush. There's a dead cow there. Or a couple of them. Ooh. I seen some stickers laying in the middle of the road.
Those are big enough to pop your tire.
I went around them, but Seen them. I don't want no flat.
One going out that way, but don't look like much. Probably just
Uh,
follows the road.
I don't think ain't much out here. Oh well, we checked it out. Made a little video. Okay, guys, I guess we'll get off here. Should open this gate. And we'll go make videos elsewhere. Stay.
Oh, I have my kickstand down. Nope.
But anyway, we're going to go find some trails somewhere else. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.